Whether you are using Android phone or you are using iPhone and mostly you browse internet with Chrome browser, consider to stay tuned to this video and see how to stop websites from tracking your apps and activities in your Android phone or iPhone without any stress. Let me show you the simple setting. Open up your Chrome browser. Go ahead and click on these three dots. Proceed to settings. Then scroll down right here until you get to site settings. Then scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down until you get to apps on device. And the next thing you want to do is to simply click on here. You are done. Don't allow site to access other apps and services on this device. It's that simple. Then you can go back. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about Chrome's privacy and security settings like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.